Pranam Guruji. We are now seeing the chapter number 9. Date is 22nd October, Ahmedabad. Guruji is Kaushikan Guruji. We are now seeing the highlights of chapter number 9. The name of the person whose leaf is being searched is same Sharad from Jalgaon. So more or less the first is about his description about his parents, wife, mother and all that we are skipping, and we will go ahead for the exact place for the chapter number 9. What is the speciality of chapter number 9? And you can start.
This 9th chapter always indicate the spiritual progresses and also fathers regarding to father and his property and his feelings, ill feeling or whatever it is related to father, temple visits, guru.
Right.
And Guru Ashirvad.
Oh.
You will get Guru or not.
Correct.
These are also another one question. That is also indicated in this. If your destiny will give Guru, that is also including, and the name is also mentioned here.
Okay.
Kirti, famous, Thana Dharma, spiritual progresses. Then what we call regarding father's property and our jnana.
Okay.
All things are covered in this
Chapter.
9th chapter.
Very good. Go ahead.
Now I am reading first, then important things I explain
Okay.
more. அறவாழி அந்தணனின் அடிகள் போற்றி அறிவிப்பேன் அகத்தியன் யான் அவத்தின் உண்மை உறவாகும் பிதா மகிமை பாக்கியங்கள் உயிர் உடலும் ஊனதுவாம் அமையரென்றார். This is the prayer. நன்றிபனும் பேர் சரத் தாமோதரத்து நபிலத்தாய் சுசீலாபா மனிஷாவில்லால் இன்றிவையும் சாட்சியன ஐம்பானெட்டில். These are also the witnesses. இனிய மகன் ஆய்ந்திடவே நவத்தில் மன்னன் மன்னனுடன் நாகமென பாக்கியங்கள். So sometime Agastya Rishi describes the real thing. Why this person is asking, what kind of planetary positions he is having. That is why these things are appear like this. That denoting thing is here. Aindidave Navatton Mannan, according to his Janma Kundali, Navatil Mannan, in the according to Lagna, in the 9th house, Guru is there.
Oh.
Guru always support to spiritual progresses, Dana Dharma, and also what we call temple visits,
Right.
pilgrimage services and tour, like that. Mannanudan Nagamena Bhakyangal. And with Rahu is also together to Guru. Mangai Vamai Bhaganarul Dharma Garmam. If these two planets are in 9th house, so that he will have all bhagyas. Bhagyas means all kind of grace, powers and also name, fame, everything. Mangai Umai Bhaganarul Dharma Garmam. Mangai Umai Bhagan means Shiva. Shiva, he will get Shiva's blessings and grace. And also he will have the power to do the Thana Dharmas. These all things are given by God Shiva. Innavarku Dhanamaya Asa Anasi. And also he will get blessings with his Guru also. Innurayum Jetchivirar Seva. Because of these things, he will be a Guru in future. And he will initiate something to others also. Inbambera Asanai Vilangum Verum. That kind of name will come in future to this particular person. Irul Vinayum Virar Kagatta Arangal Danam. He will rectify others' innocent things, and that means what? Darkness. He will rectify, he will clear their doubts, and he will purify their soul also. Janbadaved Avattamdor Tagayor name. He will have lot of sadhu sannyasis connections and their help to do this seva.
Right.
தெளிவுகளும் சிந்தை திறம் ஒடுக்கம் கொள்ள, and also he will be in good service in future. These are all highlighted by highlight things by Agastya Rishi. கொள்ள நலம் என்றாலும் இறைவன் தோடம். But at the same time he insists something. He is having this kind of life, but due to his karma, he will have some struggleness in this attachment of spiritual life.
Right.
கொடுது என சிந்தை அலர் வேதமோங்க. What kind of problem will come to this person? கொள்ள நலம் என்றாலும் இறைவன் தோடம். Due to his previous karma, he will have some doubting senses.
Okay.
He is always getting tension from outside persons.
Okay.
Outside person and inside person also.
Right.
He is always thinking more and more with unwanted tensions. So without reason he is thinking, without any meaning he is getting mental stress. This kind of attitude will come to this
Okay.
person. Kallam migum மூவாசை. Why these problems are occur? மூவாசை, பதிபெண் பாசம். I want this property, I want this money, I want to enjoy this type of thing. This is love desires,
Okay.
wishes. I want to go for this one movie. I want to get this type of car. These are all the love interest. This kind of interest he is having right now.
Oh.
He is not fully avoid all these things.
Correct.
I don't want this type of food, this type of luxuries, this type of car, like this. He is attached with this
This
same level.
Okay.
He is not rectify these asas, asabasans. And also, malangalappo. This is mine, this is my children, this is my family. That attachment is also there.
So there. Okay.
Because of these connections, he is not come out of the circle, Laukic circle. This junction, this connection, he is suffering a lot.
Yes.
He is going to suffer also.
I see.
Tanam Vida Ati Ila Asi Nindai. Due to his karma, he is not getting the property through parents, especially father.
I see.
In that property he is not do anything to others also. If he is getting that property, he will not do any dana dharma from that particular property. In this sense he will get nindai. Nindai means bad name, curse from his father. Tadumatram. Because of these reasons, he is now isolating.
Okay.
He is getting confused.
Yes.
He is getting mental stress and strain. பெருகும் நிலை விலகியோட. Day by day these are all increasing. He is not stable, he is not concentrated, he is always in confused stage.
Yes.
So these are all from his karma only, based on his karma. Onam, Vinay, Pokka, Tidam Arulumasi. These are all the drawbacks in his life. Because of these drawbacks, he is not happy and also he is not develop his spiritual career. To overcome this, better whatever the Rishimunis, that means Agastya's advice, if he should follow that indications, follow that rituals, all these evil effects and negative energies will pass away,
Okay.
fully rectify. Then by grace of God and blessings of Agastya Rishi and his Guru Ashirvad, உயர்வுதரன் பின் இவர்க்கும் மனத்தை கட்டு. In future he will have betterment in his spiritual life.
Okay.
Even though he will get the development in that, better to control your desires. Manattai kattu. Mana means feelings, thinkings. You control yourself. Then you go.
Oh.
This is the restricted, highlighted word.
Yes.
Kattidave Vedamayim Adangumasai. If you are doing this, such kind of advice, Kattidave Vedamayim Adangumasai. Vedamai means Mitra Vedamai, you are thinking this is my property, this is my children, like that. Don't consider like this. All are equal in front of me.
Correct.
If you are getting this willingness, your nirashas, desires, feelings, everything will be in control. Sort out. Kani Buravum Pattagatta Yavum Siddhi. Don't trust anybody. Don't avoid anybody. Don't do this one is mine, this one is others, like this. You think all are equal, all are same, all are Maya, all are vanishable things. If you are thinking like this, you will get all success. Yavum Siddhi. You will get all siddhis and also success. Suttiyadur Nilabereve Kalamagum. And another one highlight word is there. Suttiyadur Nilabereve. What I am narrating now, this will take more time. Possible, but it will take more time. First you control yourself. First restriction is there. First you control yourself and control your desires and do all the things as what we call equal. Then you will be able to go further.
Okay.
Sutramara Bedehalilai Unba Narvan. Sutramara, if you are keeping this in your mind, there is no problem, there is no other pain, there is no other stress. You will continue 5960 also.
Okay.
Arvanul Vadakkahala Yogamunda. During 60, you will have the chance to dissolve your court cases. So some disputes are there, I think so.
Yes.
It is written like this. Arvanul Vadakka Ahala Yogamunda. You have the chance to dissolve your court cases. Adir Kavanam Pin Todara Nilanka. If you are losing that, so time will take more to dissolve.
I see.
So you should concentrate and take care in that. Adil Kavanam. Kavanam means care. Urubahum Pandamadin Sudum Tidum. Urubahum. Urubu means one particle of your close relatives. They will also screw you like anything. Sudum Tidum. They will misguide you, or somebody give more pressure, or somebody will treat. That kind of reason you will suffer your own.
Correct.
Urubahum Bandamadin, very close relative. Because of your very close relative, if you are putting trust or you put more affection, attachment with that particular issues, you will get many more injuries from that particular part.
Oh.
Uyarvilla, Idarbala, Padudam, Tharumadanam. So better to avoid all the impurities. Uyarvilla, Idarbadudam. If you are keeping all the relationship, there is no possibilities to go forward. Idarbaladam, many more hindrance will come. Your Dana Dharma and Punya Karma will disturb. Danamudan Darisanamum Alayangal. The same kind of pattern, you will have some struggleness in your pilgrimage tour and your spiritual services and spiritual growth also. Tadayahum Malam Virga Asanasai. Asanasai, if you are trust your Guru, it will also give some kind of problem to you. Tadayahum Malam Virga. Impurities are more. It is increasing. It is giving more mental tension to you. Eenam udal vaadayalam nilaikya sindai. Eenam udal vaadayalam. Physically you are getting pain more. you are not able to concentrate. Confusions always disturb you. இன்னலிவை போக்க முறை சாந்தி நன்றார். These are all the problems with you right now. Better you do the parihar for rectify all these things, then you come out of the problems, come out of the Laugik circle. Nandrodaga Vandinpin Yerin Kala. After 61, 62 only, you will be free from your problems. Nalivehi Valivagam Andan Pose. Nalivi Yehi. All your even negative energies will pass away. Valivagam, you will have good strength. Mandan Pose, you worship Sani Maharaj, he will also support you for your development in spiritual life. Kunradu Valar Kudumbam Vilakka Bandam, you detach your family life. That means Pattum Badamal. So, father is there. That kind of relation you keep with you. If you are enter inside of the family, you will not come out from that. You will not be prosper in this spiritual life. So you keep the relation.
Restrict
From
the
some
relations,
distance
yeah.
you keep.
Distant relations should be kept. That's
Yes. Nandrodaga one where it is. Inbamegam Nalivegi Vadivagam Andan Pose. Kunradu Vadam Kudumbam Velakka Bandam Guruvasi Vadaivagan Tannal Inbam. This is also one reason. If you are keeping this, you will get the blessings from your Guru and Shiva, Shiva Parvati. If you are not keeping this, there is no possibilities to get.
correct.
Inbamigum Nelemanattal Malangilehi. If you are steady and also standard in your mind, concentrate in your mind, all your impurities will disappear. Yenamadikka Seva Yaran Sulnan Gaindil 63, 64 year, you will continue your spiritual services, Dana Dharma or whatever it is. Or you want to teach something, you give training to somebody, it will materialize. Then Badave Tadai Mudakkam Sudam Tida, all your drawbacks, all your breaks, all your enmities will pass away, vanish. Telibidakka Urdi Gola, Nallur Natpal. But you should be very alert and also confident in this. If you lose your confidence, nothing will happen positively. Nallavaral Sevaivarar Aratin Kotam. You have the chance to get the help from good people. Sadhu sannyasis are good or honorable people or elder people. They will give more moral support to you. They will give their timely help for constructing orphanage or something like that. Dhyana code or whatever it is. Whatever your willingness. It can be possible. But you should be clear in your life. Nabila Murai Bhakti Yaran Dhyana Galvi. If he wants to construct one Dhyana code, that means a prayer hall or orphanage, whatever it is, it can be possible. Where Galvi, if he wants to give studies, poor people studies, it is also possible. Allal Ara Pairchi Bala Sedarella. If you get this success first, then you will be a guru and you will give initiation to others, teaching to others. Alagagurai Venegadala Marumatil. When these things will possible during your 65, 66 year. Up to that, you have to work hard. 67, 68 year. Yettaranam Velehidave Manasigam Yenniyavar Kurubaranin Dirchayashi. During your 67, 68 year, you will have some telepathy connection with your Manasika Guru. That Manasika Guru, Kurubaran means God Muruga.
Okay.
He will took another one rope
Form.
and give the blessing and teaching something to you. He will teach.
Okay.
Yenniyavar Gurubaranin Dirchayasi. That time only God Muruga, that means Kartik Swami, come in front of you. That means in your Manasik line he will enter inside and give his Ashirvada and initiation to you. After that, Ittamihum Avannamam Ivarkam Yoham. Before of that initiation, you must do all these activities as well. Ichayila Payirchi Murai Gavanam Kayam. You should take care in your health, your practices and your spiritual exercises. Kayam Balam Unbanam Edavanilla. If you keep all these things in your mind properly, you will not be injured, you will not be disturbed by others. Kayabalam Unbanam Edavanillam 69-70 year. Kanivasi Dandai Vadi Ati Yoham. You will have the chance to get your share from your father's property when 69-70.
Okay.
Kanivasi Dandai Vadi Ati Yoham. Ayabalam Aram Purulam Inbameve. There is no doubt. You do your seva as well. Agaralad Paladharma Punyangal. You will have lot of good opportunities to do sevas, spiritual and also Tanadharma sevas. Punyamum Vidaibahan Darasanangal. If you are doing this kind of work, definitely God, Shiva Parvati, both, they will give the darshan to you. Pulanagam Nutpamila. After get that Shiva Parvati darshan, you will have the chance to come to know many more secrets in the life.
Right.
And you will develop your spiritual career like this. So these yogas will continue up to 74 years. These are all the 9th chapter predictions.
Shubham.
Subha.